back to my channel. This slime product I found is called So Slime DIY. I've actually tried some of these, but they look completely different than these. These look like food, you guys, and I've never seen that. I don't know if you guys have seen it. Leave down in the comment below if you've seen it. And this costed me $7 at Ross, and I was just wandering around Ross and I found this. So I'm really excited to show you guys what comes inside of this. So let's get started. But wait, if you're new to my channel, then go ahead and comment down below and leave a... So in this pack we do have 3 different types of slimes. So we have the ice cream slime, which is like in this little pink cone. We have the soda slime, which is like a grape type of soda. And then we have the popcorn slime, which is in this little cute popcorn container. So the first one I'm going to test out is this grape one. And I want to see what's inside. Okay. Oh wait, there is instructions inside. Okay. So let's read these. I'll be back when I finish reading these. So inside it does come with a little packet of the slime mixture, and it comes with like these fishbowl beads, and I think these are to add in at the final step. So the first thing, oh my god, this bag really is bothering me. So the first thing I'm gonna do is pour in the whole pack of this little baggie. Oh my god, it smells like grape. I'm gonna pour in this whole baggie of the slime mixture. Oh, I dropped some. Once I've done that, I'm gonna be adding water onto that line you see right there. So I'm just gonna add the water until that fills up. That's good. And now I'm gonna close the lid. I think it's napkin back on. Then I'm gonna shake. Once you've shaken it, you're going to want to take the lid off, and then you're going to want to wait 5 minutes for it to, what's it called, come together and make a slime. You do have to be careful with some of these because this one was leaking a little bit, and you gotta like really close it tight. So now that these 3 are done, I'm going to let them sit for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and check how they are. The popcorn one came with some foam beads, the strawberry sundae came with them strawberry female slices, and the grape one came with these little, what's it called, fish bowls. So yeah, I'll be back. I don't know if you guys can see, let me zoom in a little bit. So it is formed. Should I let it sit more? I'm gonna let it sit a little bit more and then come back. Okay. Now I'm back, let's see. Okay, it's doing much better. It's still sticky. It's stickier than how I would want it, but it's okay. I didn't even know how to play with this because it's that. Okay, so it is sticky, but I'm gonna be adding the fishbowl beads to see if that helps. Oh my god, what is this? This is laughable. It is slime, but not the best quality. Might as well buy your own supplies and make it, you know? Okay, once you play with it a little more, it's not that sticky anymore. So, yeah, I guess the beads fall out. It's stretchy. You can't poke it though. So this one is a bit better. It didn't come out as sticky as the other one. And it came with female slices, so I'm gonna open those and add them. Are you getting the tingles? These are pretty stretchy, but you can't poke them. This next one is a popcorn one. Let's see how good. Oh, this one feels sticky. But I found that the more you play with it, the less stickier it gets. So I'm gonna play with it and be right back. So I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did like the video, then go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this, then go ahead and comment down below what type of brands or what product I should try out next. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.